today we are here to, I think, talk about Clubhouse. And so you are most welcome, guys. And so I do have, I think, Josh Mohan sir right now. So hello, Josh Mohan sir. I would love to say to you that please introduce yourself a bit for the watchers, please.
Okay, Ashutosh. Today we are going to talk about Clubhouse. Before that, I will introduce myself. I am from Kerala and I live in Kochi. I was working with Indian Overseas Bank. Now, in fact, I am practicing English because always I wish to improve my English. For that, nowadays I am using Clubhouse and you are also using Clubhouse. So today we can talk about Clubhouse and it will be an information for the listeners. So again, I request you to introduce because listeners wants to know who are you. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, exactly. Of course, it's always pleasure of mine to introduce myself. So I think, as you know, that my name is Ashutosh Dwivedi, and I'm just talking to you from Uttar Pradesh. And about my profession, I'm just a senior student of university. I'm studying accounting at university. That's all about me. And I'm an English freak. I would like to talk to the people in English a lot. So thank you.
Okay, very good, very good. Our primary intention is to learn English and to improve our English. That is our primary intention. And for that, we are using Clubhouse. So we can talk something about Clubhouse. So what do you want to talk about Clubhouse? What about
Yes,
an
the first
introduction
thing,
about Clubhouse? Can you introduce
yeah.
what is this Clubhouse?
Yes, I think according to myself, I must say that it is a kind of social audio application where we can raise our voices, we can just make communities, and we can just find out the people according to our interest. So, because I think what I have been, I think, feeling like in this COVID, the people they are not able to interact in on offline basis. So we got, I think, this opportunity where we can find out the people of our types and we can raise our voices and we can talk about any single subject which is important to us. So according to me, it is also, it's really good for every single people. It doesn't matter in which kind of topic he's interested in. Yeah, that's all about from my side about Clubhouse.
What do you want to talk about in Clubhouse? What subject do you want to? What
Yes, so
specialities? What
I would love to listen from your side as well. So what do you think about Clubhouse and how is it working for you?
if you are asking about my Clubhouse activities, I joined in this Clubhouse last this year June month, and I have been using this for continuously. And in my opinion, this is very much helpful to talk with more people from different places, including foreign countries also. And it will help us to develop our English. When we talk with different kinds of people from different parts of the world, we will get more vocabulary, more different kinds of styles of speaking, and different usages. Many things we will get. We will get good knowledge and we will get practice. Practice means we are talking with others. Only when we talk with others, we are doing practice. All other things are only gaining information only or gaining knowledge only. So gaining knowledge and information is not sufficient. We have to do practice. Through Clubhouse, we will get a very good amount of practice. That is what I have understood from Clubhouse.
Yeah,
And what else?
exactly. Yeah, of course, I'm totally agree with you, sir. I think whole world is, I think, communicating there. So it's really, I think, best for everybody. And the English is an international language. So we are getting a benefit if you would like to interact with the person from another country. It is must for you to talk in English. So of course, it's good for us and for the practice of English as well. Now I would like to talk about this is a brief introduction of this application. And of course, I must say it is good. So next, I think a step, I would love to go with the merits. And which kind of merits I think do you have in your, I think, mind about it?
When we talk about the merits of Clubhouse, before that we have to say something about how can we get this Clubhouse. For those
Mhm.
who have no idea about Clubhouse, I wish to tell you that we have to open our Play Store application. From that Play Store, we have to download Clubhouse application, and we have to give some permissions, and we can very easily use Clubhouse. This Clubhouse is a different kind of application when compared to WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, Google search. This application called Clubhouse, it is a unique one. Here, they are entertaining voice messages only. We can talk with different people. The video is not allowed, and the long text messages are not allowed. We can send small text messages only. Mainly, they promote voice messages, and directly we can talk with a group of people. We can conduct group discussions, and even we can make private groups and public groups. These groups are called rooms only. In WhatsApp, we make groups and the name is group only. But in Clubhouse, they do not use this word group. Instead, they are using room. We can create rooms. Inside the rooms, there will be few people. We can talk with all these people. And that is the beauty. When we talk in a group, we can develop our English. Our primary aim is to develop our English. So when we talk in a group, certainly it will help us to develop our English. That is the number one merit of this Clubhouse. And as you are also using, and you are an expert of Clubhouse also, so I request you to say some other merits that is coming to your mind. After that, I will share any other merit.
Yeah, of course. For me, I can say that it is the one of the best platform to raise our voice about every single issue. Even though if we do have the bad kind of things in our society, bad culture and something like that, so we can talk and discuss about it. And for me, as you know, I'm an English lover, so I got an opportunity to talk to the people from all around the world. So it's really good for me because I have been struggling to find out good native speakers to whom I can discuss. So this is the best thing for me. I got native speakers from Clubhouse, I think, who are from English speaking countries. That's the main benefit for me, actually.
I will share another benefit. Already I repeated many times that we are here to learn English and to develop our English. But in Clubhouse, we can learn many other subjects and we can develop several other qualities in Clubhouse. For example, if we are interested in science subjects or any other subjects, we can join such groups. Some people will be very much interested in motivational subjects. Some are interested in sports, some are interested in science, some are interested in philosophy. Whatever it may be, we can select such subjects and we can discuss with such group of people. Even we can sing songs in a group of people. If we are fond of singing songs, we can sing songs in these groups and we can develop our skill to sing songs. Like that, we can select any subject under the sun and we can develop knowledge about that subject, provided we can develop our language also. Another thing, we are gathered here to learn English. If you want to develop any other language, for example, your mother tongue, you can join such groups also. Such groups are there, Hindi groups, and many other. I am from Kerala, and my mother tongue is Malayalam. So the several groups are there for Malayalis. So we can select different subjects and we can get more knowledge about that subject, provided we can develop our skills also. One more benefit that I have noticed is we can develop good friendship also. So now we are talking about merits only. We will come to the demerits later. So Ashutosh, do you have to say any other merits?
Yeah, the one thing I think what is very important to me, that is the people, they are not going to judge you on the basis of your appearance. It doesn't matter you're black, white. I think whatever the color you do have, because we do have our voice, and of course, if you're intelligent, And if you're able to present yourself with the great voice, that matters. It doesn't matter how you look. So that is the best part of Clubhouse for me as well.
Yes, yes. What you said is right. We need not publish our identity. Even we need not show our profile picture. If we wish, we can show our profile picture. Otherwise, we need not show our profile picture. We can keep our anonymity, especially for ladies and girls. Some are not interested to show their identity. So they can, without showing their profile pictures and identity, they can talk with a very good number of people around the world. That is a beauty.
Yes.
And
So
do you
yes, now
remember?
we will come. Yes.
Do you remember any other merits? Because
I
many
think
people
it's
are.
enough. I think for the merits. I think now I